So as you see guys, the case is ready and it's time to assemble. I already assembled the SFX power supply because it was very hard. I still don't know where to put this cable, maybe here or maybe here, but I don't know. Now I want to put the motherboard in. This is the motherboard. It's a Jinginue B650. It's pretty, you know, it's Chinese motherboard. But first, I think we need to assemble the, how it's called, the CPU and the CPU cooler. So yeah, this is the CPU. Where can I see the arrow on the motherboard? It's, oh, here it is, okay. I need to remove these 4 screws. Screw that in. Yeah, think so. Right? Is it bended? Is it bended? I don't think so. Okay. It's 2 sticks of Johor. It's 16 gig, 1600 MHz. NVMe drive, which is actually, it's my first time using an NVMe. I'm used to SSDs and all of that, but yeah, it's a new build for my SMR. Motherboard is still not connected because I don't have screws for that. I asked for a friend, but he's not home now. But meanwhile, I'm printing this one, which is the mesh covers, which will be used for the side panels and everything. News guys, I found some spare, oh my god. Tommy, you're not helping me. Yeah, I find the old setup, so yeah, I screw them in and this is the progress. Looking good. Now it's time to put the GPU. It's B850 from Intel Arc, or 550. What is their naming? 580, sorry. So yeah, I will put it. I put the GPU and this is looking amazing guys. But I forget the bracket that's holding this together. So I will need to print this now. And then I think the case will be finished. Only the side panels are need to be printed, but they are printing like 2 days it will take to print them. This is the part I printed. As you see, it has screws, holes that go here, here and here, and of course it has ventilation. So you just plug it in. Of course you need to align it like so. I'm just aligned it and you press it in and that's it. Yep, and that's it guys. This beautiful case is ready. Ta-ta-da. So beautiful and compact, really nice build. This plate should go here. Of course I will update you guys, but from now I don't have these plates, but look at this beauty. Perfect. In the next episodes I will print the mesh and maybe, look, it's looking very good as a vertical case. I should print the vertical option. It's looking beautiful.